Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the Q15 Smartwatch, okay, an affordable smartwatch, okay, a popular smartwatch for those who would love to have a Bluetooth calling smartwatch without spending too much on a wearable. So our model here is the Q15 Smartwatch, and as you can see here, it features Bluetooth calling. Okay, you have a large screen here, custom watch face, music playback, and a heart rate monitoring. So this smartwatch, okay, it is a sport health data monitoring smartwatch. So we are going to have an unboxing of the Q15 Smartwatch. So let's check it out and see whether this one is really good, okay, or is it already okay if you are looking for an affordable mid-range wearable. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start. So again, we have here the Q15 Smartwatch. Okay, so here on the side we do have the features, the Bluetooth calling, calorie statistics, okay, exercise speedometer, heart rate monitoring, alarm clock, sleep analysis, music playing, okay, this is Bluetooth music playing, and information reminder. Okay, on the back we have here, okay, the specs of the wearable. Okay, it's a good thing we have the specs here. We are going to check this out later as we go on with our smartwatch. So here, the support app is HRY Fine app or Harry Fine app. Okay, available in Android and iOS. So let's see if this is good or not. Okay, so let's remove the plastic cover here. Okay. So far, we have a decent packaging for the Q15 Smartwatch. I do hope that we do have a working wearable here. Again, this is the Q15 Smartwatch. Okay, so let's try to check on the contents inside. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, still have a plastic cover here. Let's remove this one. And we have the smartwatch. Okay, I think we do have a metal body here. So branded by, as you can see here, hello. And we have the strap, removable strap with its quick release pin here, as you can see. Okay, we have the strap here. So we have a freebies, we have a screen protector. We have the, is it magnetic? Yes, magnetic here, pogo pin, charger, and we have the user manual. Okay, qualified certificate. We have the user manual here. Okay, let's remove this first. Okay, so the Q15 Smartwatch, Q15 user manual. Okay, it is available in English, I think, and Chinese, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let's put this aside. Let's weigh in the smartwatch, okay, before we attach the strap. Okay, so we have here, okay, we have a weighing scale here. It weighs in grams. So let's open. Okay, 0, and let's weigh in this one. Just 32.35 grams, or shall we say it's 32 grams. With the strap, let's see. Okay, it is around 48.52. Okay, still less than 50 grams. So that is considered the light smartwatch in the lightweight smartwatch in the world of wearables. Okay, let's just put this first. Okay, so for the thickness here, okay, so let's measure. So without the sensor here, so it's around 8 or 9. Okay, then for the width, let's check. Okay, it's around 34. Okay, for the length here, it's around 40. Okay, so sporty looking smartwatch. PC back material here, we have a metal body. Okay, so let's attach this one so we can see the overall look of the smartwatch. Okay, okay, so let's attach this properly. Okay, okay, that's it. Snap in. And other one. Okay, that's it. So we have successfully attached the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here a crown button. Okay, it's a decent looking smartwatch. It's okay. It's a unisex smartwatch. I think you can remove this one. We have here. Okay, I think we can remove the back cover. I'm going to check on that later on. Okay, but so far as you can see here, we do have space here. I think we can remove this cover here. Okay, if you want to check or fix something. So this is a Bluetooth calling smartwatch. So this is the sensor here. Okay, so it's a nice looking smartwatch. Okay, let me compare it with other wearable. Okay, I have here a 45mm ultra smartwatch. So it is somewhat similar in size, as you can see here. Okay, so a mid-range smartwatch. For the specs, let's check. Q15, hello brand. Okay, this is a pretty new brand. Zinc alloy body plus ABS plastic material. The back cover here. 1.69-inch IPS high definition full touch screen. Okay, Bluetooth ultra low power, HRY fine app. Okay, full touch and one physical button. I do hope that this is a rotary crown button. Bluetooth 4.0 plus Bluetooth 3.0. So we have here real-time dynamic heart rate. Okay, 180 mAh lithium polymer battery. Okay, so we have here the dimension 49 by 40 by 11.3mm. Okay, so let's check on the screen display. Again, it says here it is 1.69-inch IPS LCD touch color screen. Okay, so let's check. Let's turn it on. I do hope that we still have enough power. I think we have to charge this so that we can see whether it's working or not. Seems like there's no more power anymore. Okay, so we'll get back to you on the screen display. Okay, so we charged the smartwatch for just a few minutes here. So let's see. Okay, it's still charging. Okay, but you can already see here the black border here that serves as a bezel. So we have here again the screen display is a 1.69 inch IPS high definition full touch screen, and here on the front it says a 2.5D curved glass. Okay, so let's remove this, and as you can see here, it's a 2.5D curved glass. Okay, let's check on the display screeners so we can check on the black border. Okay, so we have here the screen display with the different wallpaper. Okay, so the border here is a bit thick, especially on the bottom. Okay, but it's okay. I think Apple Watch do have the same black border here on the side, but this one is the black border on the bottom part is much thicker, as you can see. Again, the screen display is 1.69 inch large screen, 2.5D curved glass. Okay, let's have a closer look. Okay, so that's the screen display, IPS screen display of the Q15 Smartwatch. Okay, so slight preview, sneak preview of the menu. Okay, the bottom part we have the details. Okay, so that's it for the Q15 Smartwatch. Okay, on our next video we are going to check on the different menus and features of the smartwatch. So again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.